We are officially here. We slept our first night at the new house, but we had a little issue. Our, I guess, washing machine that was installed didn't work, so I had to put clean sheets. Thank God I had 2 flat sheets I could use, because obviously a fitted sheet would never fit onto a king mattress. So we slept on just flat sheets, and we couldn't even wash the duvet that I bought, and we were freezing, and we didn't know if we were allowed to put on the I just lost my thought. But anyway, it was just a rough night. It was a rough week. We literally did not sleep all week, and I have to deal with this now. Like, there's so much to do, guys. Not only do I have to like install stuff, but I also have to clean everything, organize everything, and I just feel like there is so much. And this girl wants attention. She needs attention. Yeah? I don't even know where to start. It's everywhere. I don't know if you guys can see the insanity. Okay. Alessia, say hi. Hi. What I think I'm gonna do is start with the island and dismantle this island first. As I'm doing that, I'm going to wipe down the counters because there's a lot of debris from the builders, and just like start putting stuff away. So I already put this down. I didn't know these were so short. Like, literally a roll ended in like 2 seconds. I ended 2 rolls just for this section here. Anyways, I just stepped on something wet. Something is wet back there. So yeah, guys, wish me luck. Honestly, like, this gives me anxiety. My husband just threw everything in and it's not organized, and it just drives me crazy. Like, at least put the cans with the cans. I decided before I start doing anything, I mean, I did a couple of things, and then I'm realizing I'm like, something is missing in my system, and that is caffeine. So I'm gonna set up this baby and make myself a cup of coffee. I think I will be way more productive. All you mamas out there, like, if you have no help like us, I have no help. I'm doing this all by myself. Coffee is like a savior, you know? Comment down below if you're like me and you have like multiple coffees a day. We went to bed at 3 a.m. last night, so I really need my coffee. Don't judge, guys. She's watching Coco because that's the only way we're gonna get anything done, and I just distracted her. What about Coco? What about Coco? Okay, let's do it. So I decided to go with this one for now. I got it from Costco, so if I don't like it, I can always return it. But I decided to go with this coffee machine because it has a programmable schedule. Like, you can wake up and your coffee could be already made, which I really want to try out. I was really dreaming of like that DeLonghi machine where you just put the beans in, press and go. But it's a little bit out of the budget right now. So this will do for now. I actually really enjoyed using this machine when we were, I don't know if you guys saw the vlog where we stayed at Indian Rocks with my parents. They had a hotel there, and, or not a hotel, an Airbnb, and the Airbnb had a machine like this. And honestly, I kind of liked it. Another feature I really loved, this machine specifically, my brain is just so dead, I'm so tired. This is real life. Another reason why I really loved this machine when I tried it is because you make the batch of coffee and it's there, staying warm for the day. So when you're ready to have your second coffee, you can just go ahead and have another coffee without making a fresh batch. It's just already made for you. And I really enjoyed that feature when we were visiting my parents. So here we are. Oh, it's very lightweight. The box seemed heavier. I actually think it's like the exact same one that we had over there. It's over here. Coffee and water go, no, sorry. Yeah, that's true. Coffee and water going here. You can see the water level on the side here. Coffee go in there, goes in there. And we should be caffeinated any moment now. Gotta clean. We got things to do, places to be. Ooh. Ooh. Padre. You gonna tell them what's up? You gonna tell them what's up? You wanna tell them what's up? It is the very next day, and yesterday I was exhausted. I feel like I didn't do a lot, but when I came downstairs, I realized maybe I did do a lot. Maybe that's why I was exhausted. I did a few loads of laundry. Now that laundry's upstairs, it's kind of harder to do it. Oh, okay, we're gonna go in the playroom. Now that laundry's upstairs, it's kind of hard to do it. In the apartment, everything was on one level, so it was a little bit easier, but we did a lot downstairs. I brought up maybe like 7 or so bags, maybe 10. I hung up Alessia's clothes. What else did I do? I opened up a bunch of packages, threw out the garbage. Yesterday we had our very first garbage day, and I, like a mature homeowner, dragged the garbages and recycling all the way out by myself. I mean, at the apartment I did do that as well, but at the apartment I did take out the garbage, but literally it was just open the door and put it out. Here you have to like make sure it's organized, make sure the cardboard is folded, and make sure everything is nice and ready for them, for the truck to pick it up. And oh my god, the garbage thing is so large. I mean, makes sense because they only pick up garbage on Mondays and Thursdays, so you have room to like throw a couple of bags. But guys, when I tell you this thing is huge, it's like the size of me. It's huge. I can probably yeah, I can hide in there for sure. Okay, we're gonna go. Bye. She needs a nap. Oh my god, guys, I can't do anything with the toddler. She gets into everything, which is okay, it's expected, I know, but here I am, still looking the same, still messy hair, still no makeup, still looking like a mess, because I just cannot find like my beauty things, and it's driving me insane. Like, I showered and just let my hair air dry. I would love to like dry this thing with a blow dryer and like style it, you know, but I just can't. Every night I'm going to bed at like 1 or 2, and she's waking up at like 7:38, which is killing me. I don't know, for me personally, those know me know I need way more hours of sleep than the regular person. I just cannot deal with like under 7 hours. Even 7 hours of sleep is not enough for me. I think I need like 8 to 9 hours. Let me know in the comments below if you're the same type of person. It really sucks because I could be so much more productive, but because I'm tired, I'm not productive. Like, when I'm tired, I'm so slow, and I hate it. I just hate it. I just need that like that boost of energy. I don't know why. I don't know why. But anyways, look what came in the mail. I got these mugs, and I've been eyeing them for a super long time. They're not like any sort of brand. They're just an Amazon store that I can link down below for you guys, but I don't know what it is about drinking a cappuccino or latte or just my coffee that I make into like a very dark latte or whatever cappuccino out of a clear glass. Like, I absolutely despise drinking coffee out of a regular mug, and I think one reason is because I really love a certain color of coffee. If it's not a certain color of coffee, I don't want to drink it. Like, it's just revolting to me. I don't know why. For me, it has to be like a little bit like cardboard color. Like, I don't know how to explain it. Like, it's not too dark, not too light. For me, it just has to be like the perfect consistency of milk to coffee ratio. It kind of looks like a certain type of cardboard. I mean, I know there's all shades of cardboard, but anyways, next time I drink coffee or latte or whatever, I will show you guys. And yeah, I just feel like I need to see the color, and so having a clear mug to drink my coffee out of is perfect. I remember back at the apartment, I would use mason jar things and like just regular glassware just to drink a coffee, even though it's not good because it's only like one layer. I'm complicated like that, but if you guys want to check these out, I link them in the description box below. Now on to dismantling this mess. So I think I'm gonna line up all the bags here and maybe all the suitcases that need to be emptied here. I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put you guys here so you guys can watch. And I might speed up this footage, but there's still a lot. And actually all the bags that were here, all the stuff I brought up is just laying upstairs to be unpacked. So that's the type of days we're having, but that's okay. Slowly but surely we will get through everything. So it is already close to 11 o'clock at night. I honestly, like, what do you do with these things? Anyways, Alessia had a fit going to sleep tonight. She would not fall asleep, so I had to lay there with her. But I did a lot today. I cleared this whole room that was a mess because we should be getting our couches tomorrow. And I'm gonna be opening a mixer for the first time ever in my life. I've never had a KitchenAid or a mixer for that matter in my whole entire life. So here we go. There's so many firsts in this house. This is the first time Oleg and I have ever had a king bed together. It's the first time we're actually living in a home together, like a house. We've only lived either with parents or apartments in the past, so it's a super exciting year. We have a lot of firsts here. And you know what I just realized? I forgot to get a cutter. My trusty little cutter. And oh, and if you're wondering why Oleg isn't here, it's because he's had a mixer before. When he was living with his mom, he's really into baking. I'm more of the cook, he's more of the baker in the family. And he's had, I don't know if it was a KitchenAid, but him and his mom used to like bake a lot. So he's had a mixer in the past. But these babies are different. This is a KitchenAid. Okay, so on the top we have a image of all the attachments, I think. Which there are several attachments that I really, really want. I for sure want the one that grinds the meat because I love making, if you're Russian, you know what this is. It's kotlety. It's kind of like little meat patties. And the best ones, they turn out the best when you freshly grind your own meat. You use like a little bit of breasts and a little bit of chicken thighs, and it turns out incredible. So it would be, I think it's this attachment here. The first one, actually. This is the one I want, and I think it's $40. So sometime soon I'll get that. This is cool. And then on the bottom they show all the different bowls that they have. So right on the top we have like when you get old, these are the kinds of things that make you excited. Opening kitchen appliances. Okay, so this package, this KitchenAid package actually comes with a gift. I think it came with an extra bowl and an extra mixer. I don't know where it said that. Okay, special gift included inside. So this is the extra gift. This is the extra gift. And there should be a little, what is it, mixing spoon in there. And we got this one from Sam's Club at a discount. Right now the Black Friday sales have started. And usually this thing is about, I think it's usually $500. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments below, but we got it for $250, I think, maybe $350. I can't remember. I'll try and link it down below if I can find it, because we did get it online. Oh, this is cool. You can hang it. Oh, this is the smaller one. Weird smell. What did I just drop? Oh, I think this is the dough hook. I think this is the dough. I don't even know what like all these pieces are called. What is this thing called? I think honestly I'm gonna call it a night. I'm so tired. I did a lot today. Let me show you guys from this angle. I cleaned all the junk that was in this room, like all of the bags and everything. Obviously I opened the KitchenAid now, but yeah, pretty much we're getting our couches tomorrow, and then on, what is it, Tuesday? We're getting our dining table. So things are slowly coming together, and this place is slowly feeling more and more like a home. I guess this is what life is all about, just making a house a home. Okay, I don't even know what I'm talking about anymore. Have a good night, guys. Stay, be yourself. Always, I can't even. You guys know what I mean.